Yes, good evening dear students. Welcome to our channel Infinity Learn Mathematics in a Simple Way. In this video we are going to solve the what derivative of implicit functions. These are the most important problem for the point of your examination. So this type of question will appear in the part B, question number 25 for 2 marks. So let us without wasting the time solve the problems now. First problem, if y plus sin y is equal to cos x, find dy by dx. This question has been asked in the year March 2014. See here, first we have to write the given function, that is solution of the problem. First write the given function, that is y plus sin y is equal to cos x. First step is what? We have to write the what? Given function. ಮೊದಲನೇ ಹಂತ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು फर्स्ट वी हैव टू राइट दी व्हाट गिवन फंक्शन ಯಾವ ತರ ಇದೆ ಆ ತರ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. फर्स्ट जो है फंक्शन जैसा है वैसा उसे फंक्शन को लिखना है. Second, then differentiating with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. After writing the function, we have to differentiate the what? Function. After writing the function, we have to differentiate the what? Function. Then derivative of y with respect to x. Derivative of y with respect to x is nothing but dy by dx. Plus derivative of sin cos y. Derivative of y dy by dx. See here, derivative of sin y is what? Cos y. Derivative of y is what? Dy by dx is equal to derivative of cos x minus sin x. Derivative of x is what? 1. Derivative of x with respect to x is what? 1. Now take dy by dx. Dy by dx is what here? Common. Taking common dy by dx here. See here, 1 plus cos y. Right in the bracket. What is common here? Dy by dx is what? Common. Dy by dx is equal to 1 into minus sin x is what? Minus sin x. Then last step, solve for what? Dy by dx. Then dy by dx is equal to minus sin x. This term, if you transfer 1 plus cos y from left hand side to the what? Right hand side, it will be divided here. That is divided by 1 plus cos y. This is the final answer for your question. It's very simple problems. Only thing is that first step we have to write as it is. ಮೊದಲನೇ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಗಿವನ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. फर्स्ट स्टेप जो है फंक्शन जो है फंक्शन को लिखना है. सेकेंड स्टेप में डिफरेंशिएट करना है. डिफरेंशिएट करने के बाद में आफ्टर डिफरेंशिएटिंग कलेक्टिंग द dy by dx one side and take dy by dx common, then solve for what? Last step, dy by dx. Now second problem, write if 2x plus 3y, find dy by dx if 2x plus 3y is equal to what? Sin x. Write the given function first as it is. Solution of the problem, 2x plus 3y is equal to what? Sin x. Now differentiate with respect to x. After differentiating, differentiate with respect to x. 2 as it is because it is a constant. 2 is what? Constant. And the function is what here? X. Derivative of x with respect to x is what? 1. Remember one thing, the rule of derivative, what it says, if constant and function will appear together, constant and function will be appear together, at that time keep the constant as it is, only differentiate the what? Function. Plus 3 is constant as it is, again derivative of y is what? Dy by dx. Derivative of sin x cos x. Derivative of x is what? 1. That we are not writing because 1 into cos x is what? Cos x. Then solve for dy by dx. 3 dy by dx is equal to cos x as it is. This 2 ones are 2. 2 ones are 2. This 2, I am transposing this 2 to the what? Right side. 2 ones are 2. It will become what? Minus 2. It will become what? Minus 2. Then solve for dy by dx. Dy by dx is equal to cos x minus 2 divided by what? 3. Yes, this is the solution of the question. Next, find dy by dx. Third problem, if 2x plus 3y is equal to sin y, find dy by dx. This question has been asked in the year July 2017. July 2017. This question is from what? July 2017. Write the given function first. Solution as it is, that is 2x plus 3y is equal to what? Sin y. 2x plus 3y. 2x plus 3y is equal to what? Sin y. Differentiate with respect to x. Now differentiating with respect to x, After differentiating 2 as it is, a derivative of x is what? 1, because 2 is constant. 2 is what? Constant, and function is attached here x. 2 as it is, derivative of x is what? X with respect to x is what? 1, plus 3 as it is, derivative of y is what? Y with respect to x is nothing but dy by dx. Derivative of sin y, it is nothing but cos y. Derivative of y is what? Dy by dx. See here, there are here two terms are there of dy by dx. So we have to collect one side these two terms. We have to collect one side dy by dx term. To do this one, what I am doing here, I am writing first 3 dy by dx, and this term I am bringing this term to the what? Left hand side. I am bringing this term to the what? Left hand side. It will become what? Minus cos y dy by dx is equal to 2 ones are 2. I am transferring this term to the what? Right side. That is what? Minus 2. 2 ones are 2 is what? Minus 2. Now what is the common here? Again, what is the common here? Dy by dx. This and this is what? Common. Dy by dx is common. Write 3 minus cos y dy by dx is equal to what? Minus 2. Is equal to what? Minus 2. Now dy by dx is equal to minus 2 divided by 3 minus cos y. Yes, 3 minus cos y. Now take minus sign common here, and dy by dx is equal to minus 2 divided by minus sign common here, minus 3 plus cos y. Minus 3 plus cos y. This minus minus get cancel. Minus minus get cancel. That is equal to what? 2 divided by cos y minus 3. 2 divided by cos y minus 3. So the final answer is what here? Dy by dx is equal to, I am writing here only, dy by dx is equal to 2 divided by cos y minus 3. 2 divided by cos y minus 3. This is the final answer. What I did here, I have taken the common minus in the denominator, that is after taking the minus sign common here, or multiply by what? Minus sign, we can say minus, multiply by what? Minus sign in the denominator, or take minus sign common. Bring the minus sign common, and minus minus get cancelled. It will become what? Minus 3. Minus into minus, it is what? Plus. Now write in the reverse order, that is 2 divided by cos y minus 3. So this is the what? Final answer. I hope you are getting the solutions. So the next question, find dy by dx if ax plus by square is equal to cos y. If ax plus by square is equal to cos y, find dy by dx. This question has been asked in the year September 2020, March 2019, March 2017. So let us solve this problem. So write the given function first. Ax plus by square is equal to what? Cos y. Ax plus by square is equal to what? Cos y. Differentiate with respect to x. As we read in the previous problem, in the same manner we have to differentiate. This a as it is, see here, this a as it is, derivative of x with respect to x is what? 1. X with respect to x is what? 1, because function and constant together here. Plus b as it is, a derivative of y square is what? 2y. Derivative of y square is what? 2y. Derivative of y, dy by dx. Derivative of cos y, minus sin y. Minus sin y. Derivative of y is what? Dy by dx. Yes, dy by dx. Now 2 into b, 2by dy by dx minus sin y dy by dx. Bring to the what? Left side. It will become what? Plus sin y. After transposing the right side term to the left hand side, that is minus sin y. Minus sin y will become what? Plus sin y. Dy by dx. Then a into 1 is what? A. Transfer this a to the right side. Plus a will become what? Minus a. Plus a will become what? Minus a. Now 2by plus sin y. What is common here? Dy by dx is common. Is equal to what? Minus a. Now solve for dy by dx. That is dy by dx is equal to minus a divided by this will come. It is in the into. in the left hand side. If you transpose this one to the right side, it will be what? Divide. That is 2by plus sin y. So this is the what? Final answer. Yes, final answer. Next question. See here, find dy by dx. Find dy by dx if x square plus xy plus y square is equal to 100. This question has been asked in the year July 2019, March 2018, March 2015 for 2 marks. So let us solve this problem also. Write the first, x square plus xy plus y square is equal to what? 100. First step of the solution. After writing the first step, differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. Derivative of x square is what? 2x. Derivative of x square is what? 2x. Derivative of x with respect to x is what? 1. 1 into 2x, 2x. Plus product rule we are applying here. We are applying what? Product rule for x into y. X into y. Because it is in the what? Product form. We have to apply the what? Product rule of differentiation. That is, first function is what here? X. X as it is a derivative of y. Dy by dx. Plus y as it is, that is v. U as it is a derivative of v, dy by dx, plus y as it is a derivative of x with respect to x is what? 1. Plus derivative of y square, 2y. Derivative of y square is what? 2y. Derivative of y, dy by dx. Derivative of 100 is what? 0. Because 100 is what? Constant. Derivative of constant is what? 0. Now see here, two terms of dy by dx. Take common dy by dx, that is x plus 2y dy by dx is equal to 2x. Bring this 2x to the right side, it will become what? Minus 2x. Minus 2x. Then y into 1 is what? Y. Transfer this y to the right side, it will become what? Minus y. Minus y. Then dy by dx is equal to see here, this term if you transpose to the right side, it will be divide here, that is x plus 2y. Yes, take minus sign common here, that is minus 2x plus y. So this is your final answer. Yes. Next one, see here, find dy by dx if sin square x plus cos square y is equal to k, where k is what? Constant. In the examination, instead of k, it may be given 100. 100 is also what? Constant. Derivative of 100 is what? 0. Or it may be given any alphabet that is stated as what? Constant here. So derivative of constant is what? 0. Yes. Write the given function first. That is solution of the problem. That is sin square x plus cos square y is equal to k. Sin square x plus cos square y is equal to k. After writing the first step, differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. Derivative of sin square x, 2 comes back side, 2 sin x. 2 sin x. Derivative of sin x, cos x. Plus derivative of cos square y, 2 cos y. Derivative of cos minus sin y. Derivative of y, dy by dx. Derivative of k, 0. Derivative of k is what? 0. See the once again the explanation of this one. Derivative of sin square x. Derivative of sin square is x is what? 2 comes to the back side, 2 sin x. Derivative of this sin x is what? Cos x. Derivative of x is what? 1. That 1 we are not writing because 1 into 2 sin x cos x is what? 2 sin x cos x. Plus as it is, derivative of cos square y. First 2 comes to the what? Back side, 2 cos y. Derivative of cos y minus sin y. Derivative of y, dy by dx is equal to derivative of k is what? 0. Now 2 sin x cos x can be written sin 2x because it is a double angle. Sin 2x is nothing but 2 sin x cos x, that is sin 2 theta is nothing but 2 sin theta cos theta. Plus into minus, take this minus sign outside, plus into minus is what? Minus. Again this one, 2 cos y sin y is nothing but sin 2y. Again we are applying the what? Double angle formula. Again we are applying 2 cos y sin y or 2 sin y cos y, both are what? Same. 2 cos y sin y is nothing but sin 2y. This dy by dx as it is equal to what? 0. Now minus sin 2y minus sin 2y dy by dx is equal to transpose this term to the what? Right side. Yes, this term to the what? Right side, that is minus sin 2x. Both the side minus sign is there. Minus sign get cancel. Minus sign get cancel. Then dy by dx is equal to sin 2x divided by sin 2y. Don't cancel sign, because it is not possible here to cancel the sign, because it contains the 2x, it contains the what? 2y. And even don't cancel the 2, because you people are different mathematicians. Yes, remember this one, this sign is linked with the what? 2x, this sign is linked with the what? 2y. Here it is not possible to cancel 2 and x sin. Yes, the final answer is what? Dy by dx is equal to sin 2x sin 2y. So let us solve the what? Question number 7. If root x plus root y is equal to root 10, prove that dy by dx is equal to minus root of y by x, or dy by dx plus root y by x is equal to 0. So see your solution. Write the given function first. Root x plus root y is equal to root 10. Root 10. Then differentiate with respect to x. Derivative of root x is what? 1 by 2 root x. Then derivative of x is what? 1. That we are not writing. Yes, derivative of x is what? 1. Derivative of root x is what? 1 by 2 root x. In the same manner, derivative of root y, 1 by 2 root y. Then derivative of y, dy by dx. Derivative of root 10, it is a constant 0. See here once again. Derivative of root x. Derivative of root x is what? 1 by 2 root x. Plus derivative of root y, 1 by 2 root y. Then derivative of this y, dy by dx is equal to derivative of root 10. Root 10 is what? Constant. Derivative of constant is what? 0. Yes. Next, write here 1 by 2 root y. 1 by 2 root y. 1 by 2 root y dy by dx is equal to minus 1 by 2 root x. 1 by 2 root x. Now see here, this 1 into 2 root x, this 2 root y into 1, 2 root y, dy by dx is equal to minus 2 root y divided by 2 root x. This 2 to get cancelled. Yes. Now dy by dx is equal to minus root of y by x. I am writing commonly root, because y is also having the root, x is also having the root. For that reason I am writing these two y and x in common root. That is what? Minus root of y by x. Then dy by dx is equal to dy by dx. Bring this one to the left hand side, plus root y by x is equal to what? 0. If in the examination it is given, you have to write up to here. If it is given up to here, write this much. Yes. There are the two types of possibilities of proving this one. That is minus root y by x, and bring to the what? Left, right, it is a left side. It will become what? Plus root y by x is equal to 0. Yes. See here next, differentiate. This question has been asked in the year March 2020. March 2020. March 2020. Yes. See here, write the first solution. First step, x y plus y square is equal to tan x plus y. Tan x plus y. Now differentiating with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. X as it is a derivative of y dy by dx plus derivative of y square. Derivative of y square is what? 2y. Derivative of y dy by dx is equal to derivative of tan sec square x. Derivative of tan is what? Sec square x plus derivative of y dy by dx. Derivative of y is what? Dy by dx. So, okay. Wait a minute. We did the mistake here. First, we have to apply the what? Product rule. Sorry, make it correction. It's mistake. My mistake. make it correction. First we have to apply the what product rule for this one. X as it is, derivative of y is what? Dy by dx plus y as it is, derivative of x is what? 1. Yes, the derivative of this is over, x into y is over now. Derivative of y square is what? 2y. Derivative of y dy by dx is equal to derivative of tan sec square x. Derivative of y dy by dx. Dy by dx. Yes. Once again see here, x into y product rule we are applying here. X as it is, derivative of y with respect to x is what? Dy by dx plus y as it is, derivative of x with respect to x is what? 1. Derivative of y square is what? 2y. Derivative of y is nothing but dy by dx is equal to derivative of tan x sec square x plus as it is, a derivative of y is what? Dy by dx. Now writing dy by dx terms, see here, one side, that is x dy by dx plus 2y dy by dx, and bring this term dy by dx to the what? Left hand side. It will become what? Minus dy by dx is equal to sec square x as it is. Now y into 1 is what? Y. This term goes to the what? Right side. It will become what? Minus y. Minus y. Yes. Now see here, what is common here? Dy by dx, dy by dx, dy by dx. For 3 terms we have what here? Dy by dx, dy by dx, dy by dx. 3 टर्म को क्या है यहाँ पर? dy by dx है. 3 ಪದಗಳಿಗೆ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ dy by dx. Write x, coefficient of this dy by dx, plus 2y, the coefficient of this dy by dx, and coefficient of this dy by dx is nothing but minus 1. And write common is what? Dy by dx is equal to this one as it is, that is sec square x minus y. Sec square x minus y. Now dy by dx is equal to sec square x minus y divided by this term. After transposing it will be what? Divide to the what? Right side, that is x plus 2y minus 1. Says if x minus y is equal to pi, find dy by dx. It's very simple problem. Write x minus y is equal to pi, differentiate with respect to x. Derivative of x with respect to x is what? 1. Minus sign as it, derivative of y is what? Dy by dx. Derivative of pi is constant. Derivative of constant is what? 0. Then dy by dx is equal to 1. Dy by dx is equal to what? 1. Yes. If sin square y plus cos xy is equal to k, find dy by dx. Write the given function first. Sin square y plus cos xy is equal to k. Now differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. Derivative of sin square y is what? 2 sin y. Derivative of sin square y is what? 2 sin y. Derivative of sin square y is what? 2 sin y. Derivative of this sin y, cos y. Derivative of y, dy by dx. Derivative of y is what? Dy by dx. Plus derivative of cos minus sin xy. Minus sin xy. After writing the derivative of cos, xy remains here. The derivative of this xy, product rule we have to apply. We have to apply the what? Product rule. X as it is a derivative of y dy by dx. To differentiate this xy, we have to apply the what? Product rule. X as it is a dy by dx plus y as it is a derivative of x is what? 1. Is equal to derivative of k, right side, it is 0. Derivative of k is what? 0. Now 2 sin y cos y can be written in terms of double angle, that is sin 2y. Sin 2y dy by dx. This one plus into minus, minus x into sin. X plus into minus, minus x into sin. See here, x into sine or sine into x. X sine xy, don't x into x multiply, don't multiply x into x, huh? Because this x is separate, this x is attached with the what? Sine. Yes. Then dy by dx as it is. Yes, dy by dx. This one, we are multiplying x into sine xy is what? X sine xy. This dy by dx as it is, plus into minus, minus. Then this one into this, y into sine xy minus y sine xy is equal to what? 0. So here y into 1 y into sine x, y is what? Y sine xy. Yes. Now dy by dx, right? Sine 2y minus x sine xy, common is what here? Dy by dx is equal to, this term goes to the what? Right side, it will become what? Plus y sine xy. Now solve for dy by dx. Dy by dx is equal to y sine xy divided by sine 2y minus x sine xy. So this is the what? Final answer. So this is what? The final answer. It is also very important. We can't neglect this problem. So let us solve the what? Another problem and the last problem of this derivative of implicit function. So here, if x cube plus x square y plus xy square plus y cube is equal to 81, find dy by dx. What I am doing here, I am writing this step only as the solution of the first step. Solution, yes. You don't do it like that. You write the what? First step as it is. Yes. X cube plus x square y plus xy square plus y cube is equal to 81. Differentiate with respect to x. Derivative of x cube is what? 3x square. Derivative of x is what? 1. See here, derivative of x cube. Derivative of x is what? 3x square, and derivative of x is what? 1. 1 into 3x square is what? 3x square. Plus, for this one we have to apply the what? Product rule. This is u, first function, and this is what? V. First x square as it is. According to the rule of product rule of differentiation, that is u. U we have to keep first as it is. Then derivative of is what? Y. Y it is. Derivative of y is what? Dy by dx plus y as it is. V as it is. Derivative of x square is what? 2x. Yes. Got the thing? X square as it is, that is u. Derivative of y is what? Dy by dx plus y as it is. Derivative of x square is what? 2x. Plus, in the same manner, again we have to apply here product rule for xy square. Product rule for what? Xy square, x as it is. Derivative of y square is what? 2y dy by dx. X as it is, derivative of y square is what? 2y. Derivative of y is what? Dy by dx. Plus y square as it is. Y square as it is, derivative of x with respect to x is what? 1. Plus y cube means what? 3y square. Derivative of y cube is what? 3y square. Derivative of y cube is what? 3y square. Then derivative of y, dy by dx. Derivative of this 81, it is constant, is equal to what? 0. Differentiation is over and the rest of the thing is what? Only simplification is remaining. See here, dy by dx, this one, 1, 2, 3. 3 terms are there here. Write their coefficient first, that is x square plus 2x into y, 2xy, yes, 3y square, this one, plus 3y square. Write the common dy by dx is equal to, see here, this 3x square transpose to the right side minus 3x square. Then 2xy transpose this one to the what? Right side minus 2xy. 1 into y square transpose this one to the right side minus y square. Minus y square. Now solve for dy by dx. Dy by dx is equal to, take minus sign common here, that is 3x square plus 2xy plus y square divided by x square plus 2xy plus 3y square. This is the final answer for the question. So this is all about the what? Derivative of implicit functions. I hope you are getting the things. So please give me the comment if you are understanding. If you have any feedback also. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.